Are you afraid or uncomfortable to give voice to your YouTube videos, like me? Then here is the simple way to overcome this problem. For this you only need a computer with Windows 10, or an Android mobile and an audio recording software. Then don't waste time, let's get started. In Windows, you need to go to Microsoft Word and enter your script here. Then go to View and select Immersive Reading option. This will read your script. You can adjust the speed of reading and can select the voice of male or female according to your wish. It can manage different language, but when I checked that, it was not precise and accurate. It can only read English more accurately. After you entered the script, open any audio recording software, which can record system sound. In my case I used OBS Studio, which is a screen recording software that can also record system sound. And after recording the sound, you can use this to your video as a vocal. The sound you are hearing is made like this. This is the simple way to make vocals for your video. There are some softwares for text-to-speech, like Balabalka, Natural Reader, Panoperator Basic, Word Talk, etc. etc. But when we have Microsoft Word, why we go for an external software for make speech for videos? Okay, let's make it in Android. In Android the way is bit different. Go into your device's settings. Tap Accessibility. Choose Select to Speak. Then go to MS Word or Notepad on your phone and enter your script. Then, tap the play button to begin the text-to-speech playback. Then record it using any recording software. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. For more videos stay tuned. See you in the next video.